Hello everyone, I am Sivaranjani, Assistant Professor of KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. Now we can see about list of tables and figures under our topic of soft skill. This will come under the third unit, list of tables and figures. A list of figure or a list of tables will show all of the graphics, equation and tables in the document. Anything other than tables like map, chart, diagram, graph is called figures. Let us see about preface, foreword, acknowledgement and abstract in detail. All figures and the tables should be given a number. Adding a caption to a table or a figure is called as table caption or figure caption. The title of a table goes above the table, while the title of a figure goes below the figure. Preface. A preface is an introduction to a book or other literary work written by the work's author. The term preface can also mean any preliminary or introductory statement. Preface is the introduction of a book or research paper stating its subject and scope. It is the preliminary part of the book or the research paper, the introductory remark of a speaker or author. The term preface has been originated from the Latin language meaning either spoken before or made before. A preface is usually signed. The date and the place of writing often follow the typist's signature. Now, let us see about what foreword is. Foreword, an introductory essay written by a different person, is a foreword and precedes an author's preface. Foreword is a piece of writing sometimes placed at the beginning of a book or other piece of literature. It is typically written by someone other than the primary author of the work. The types containing the foreword and preface are typically not numbered and is placed before the main text. Foreword often tells of some interaction between the writer of the foreword and the book's primary author, or the story of the book tells. Unlike preface, the foreword is always signed. Unlike preface, a foreword is always signed. Now, let us discuss about acknowledgement. What is acknowledgement? It is the voice of the author. It can also be said acknowledges those who contributed to the creation of the book. A statement of gratitude for assisting is producing a work. This is a short paragraph thanking any person or organization which gave you help in collecting data or preparing that content and report. Now we had saw what is preface, what is foreword, what is acknowledgement. At last we are stepping to what is abstract. Abstract is a summary of a legal document or statement of the contents of research paper or thesis. This is a brief overview of the report. Okay students, thank you for watching this. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share. If you have any further clarification, you can ask me at any time. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.